बच्चों, this question related to thermal properties of matter was asked in JEE Main 2023. That is, two metallic blocks M1 and M2 of same area of cross section are connected to each other as shown in the figure. If the thermal conductivity of M2 is K, then that of M1 will be. Assume steady state heat conduction. So steady state heat conduction में the heat flowing through M1 block will be same as that flowing through M2 block, because say this is the direction of heat flow, because heat flows from high temperature to low temperature. Then heat flow is given by the heat flow through M1 block, that is say T1 minus T2 upon L1 upon K1A. If T1 is this temperature and T2 is this temperature, and L1 is this length of the block, and K1 is the thermal conductivity of this block M1, and A is the area which is common for both because they are of the same area of cross section and heat flows like this, so both areas will be same. And this is equal to T2 minus T3. If T2 is this temperature and T3 is this temperature, upon L2 upon K2A. Okay, this is the formula for heat conduction under steady state. Because this is nothing but driving force upon resistance. You can compare like electrical analogy. Here current is nothing but voltage upon resistance. So here voltage is the potential difference. Here this is temperature difference. So the driving force is temperature difference, as that in the potential difference in case of electrical, that is current flow, and the resistance here it is thermal resistance, that is L1 upon K1A for block M1 and L2 upon K2A for block M2. So now we will put the values. Okay, so this area will get cancelled out because they are of the same area. So T1 minus T2, that means H will be equal to 100 minus 80 upon L1 is 16 upon thermal conductivity, that it is K1, is equal to T2 minus T3, that is 80 minus 0 upon L2, that is 8 divided by its thermal conductivity is given as K for M2 block. So K2 is equal to K. So this will give 20 divided by into K1 will go in the numerator upon 16 is equal to 80 divided by 8, and this K will go in the numerator. So 8 to the 16. So if we now put 10, this is 10, so we can say that 10 K1 is equal to 80K. Okay, that means K1 is equal to 8K. So the thermal conductivity of M1 block, that is K1, is nothing but 8 times the thermal conductivity of M2 block. Okay, so our answer will be 8K. Thank you and wish you all the best.